Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to explain my project Student Management System, which I have developed using Spring MVC framework and one of the Spring ORM framework, Hibernate. There are various kind of Spring ORM framework, Hibernate, Toppling, Ibatis. So ORM basically stands for Object Relational Mapping, and for the front end part I have used JSP and CSS. For the database part I have used MySQL Workbench. So let's begin with our project. So this is my home page or about me page, where you can see I have put up the 4 buttons. So this one will be redirecting to you the LinkedIn page. So let's check up the console. So yeah, it is completed. So it will redirect you to the LinkedIn page, and if you click on the GitHub button, so it will simply redirect you to the GitHub page. And if I have basically made a kind of search box where you can simply put up a query, say what is my name or something like that. So it is basically it redirect you to the Google page with the query written over there, like whatever the query you have written here. So this is now come to the main project. So this is basically a add student page where you can simply add up the student details. And suppose I'm not filling up the details and I'm simply trying to add a student. So you can see that form validations have occurred. That you should at least select 4 subjects. That phone number cannot be empty, email ID cannot be empty, this cannot be empty. So now let's fill up the details correctly, and suppose I'm giving 1 2 something like this phone number, and I'm not entering city, and also say I'm not giving any subjects. So there will be 3 form validations: that city cannot be empty, or phone number should be equal to 10 digits, and please select at least 4 subjects. So okay, now we'll be selecting all the details correctly, and suppose I'm giving phone number as this 10 digits, and say I'm selecting at least 4 and this one. So after adding the correct details, it will redirect you to the success page where you can see that whose details have been saved successfully. So now if we check up the all the students, there we can see that the details have been added successfully. So this was the add part and display part, and we can now update a student or delete a student. So for updating we have to simply change up the details, what details we have to change. Suppose I'm providing now this one subjects, and suppose I'm changing the email ID with abc@gmail.com, and suppose I'm changing the name also, say Rakesh Tiwari, with roll number as say 14, no 13. So now see, it will be successfully updating up the details, and we can check the details also, that the details have been added successfully or updated successfully. So this was the create, read, update, and now see the detail part, delete part. So it will simply delete the student, that Rakesh Tiwari data have been deleted successfully from the database. For cross verifying, we'll again check the display all students part. So we can see that yes, no Rakesh Tiwari record exists here. So you might be wondering that what is this Gmail generate email ID part, generate email part. So behind the implementing this idea, I thought say that I am the admin of the website and I want to send an email which consists of all the list of the students to various teachers, that not again and again I am coming up to the website and seeing all the like what were the details. So I simply want to email that list. So say I am sending up the email. So we can check up the console. Yeah, connected to, okay, yeah, the list have been made. So now I if check my email ID, so we can see that 7:33 it is now, and here I can see this email ID which consists of all the list of the students in a JSON format. So here you can see that this username I have provided and this user email ID I have provided. So like here is the list of students that have been registered in our university so far. So like for the simply for the cross verification part, that I have mailed you the list, and can you please check up the details once again. So yeah, that's it for this video, and you can see a success page of that email have been sent successfully. So yeah, this was the basic CRUD operation part and one small implementation of email part. So I hope you like this project. So okay, thank you.